humans just say tricky. And I love that they use that word because that's the word I like to use for when people like to say things are hard. Hard, I think, has a different meaning. So tricky to me just means we have to be really careful. It requires some extra attention, or maybe we're not used to it yet. So let's get to it. You're going to be tempted on things like this to not test as you go. That's a mistake. You should always test as you go. Now, this is one of those things. Okay, we want to walk 17. All right. So we're going to step 17. And then we're going to turn right. And you're definitely going to have to be measuring some empty space here. So then we're going to want to step 10. And then we're going to turn right again. And I'm going to check those to make sure my measurements and my turns are looking good. Okay. Now, we're just going to step here, and then there, and then there. But now I know lines 1 through 4 are good. So after we turn right, we're going to step 9. And the monkey's going to turn left this time. I'm actually going to run that because I want to see that that's correct. Lots of turns. It's just hard to keep it all in your mind. So now I can see we're going to go straight, and also it's a good time for me to look. I can see we're going to turn right at the end. It's probably going to be 10 across the bridge. But the monkey was standing right about there. Maybe 8. But I know everything from line 1 through 6 is good. So if it doesn't get there, my changes just need to be at the very bottom. Turn right. And then I'm just going to measure. That's going to be another 8. So tricky means lots of steps. Easy to make a mistake. Not hard. You know how to do this code. It's just tricky to get through so many turns correctly. So you have to take your time, test as you go.